Hello everybody and welcome back to Niche. That's all I have to say. I never did pass the day the last time. We now have Bear as our alpha. So let's pass the day. We should have at least one nicheling born, two nichelings. So another black boy nicheling. Are you melanistic? Yeah, you have melanism. That's why all these guys are black. And you just have brown eyes like your mom. Well, we might as well start over here. Let's have Larch come over here and collect. And you can build a nest, so you can have yours. We'll have Cedar sidestep to sort of collect from these bushes. And we'll have Owl collect over here. Flame collect over here. And Bear, we really need a rainstorm of some kind soon. I think Gorse would recognize that, their time's kind of coming to an end and just sit there with her last baby. Mudspot, who has, double berry paw like his brother Raspberry does. Primrose is on his last days. I feel like Claw would just, follow him around and learn how to use his claw. Who are you? A rogue male. Heat body. We are a tribe that is not tolerant to rogues at all. So I feel like Bark would give him some good lashings, because he remembers how the previous leader, Acorn, did to rogues, and what his own father did to rogues. So, his own father, Fox. So he would remember that rogues are something not to be trusted and are something to, get rid of at all costs. Okay, let's name you. After we take care of you, let's name you. No, not you, but I can get to your baby from here. First, let's name you. Man, Clover and Flame had a cute baby. Let's name her. Come on, name her Ren. And let's name you. Let's name you Storm. And we are in badly need of one of those, by the way. We need it to rain. Let little Ren step aside, and then let's have. I think Lily would step aside so that her daughter could have her nest. Because she and Nut are actually pretty compatible. Let's have Flame and her pair up again because we kind of want them to have some more babies as fast as possible because Clover isn't going to live much longer. Let's have him remove the grasses, have Sand collect, and let's look at Oak's new baby.
There's a T-bone steak for anybody that pees on her. I told her she was
Podzol. Don't ask me why. That's what I wanted to name him. Don't kill me. Crow. Let's just have Lily explore a bit. And let's have Oak sidestep over. Is anyone compatible for Bear? HC. Yep, you are, Sand. Kind of ironic, because he actually protected Sand when she was a little nicheling. So what would we have to put into his? Really nothing, and really nothing in hers. So, for fun, let's put in... So, Bear's line really loves the Nimble Fingers, so let's put Nimble Fingers in to make sure they stay in. Oh, wrong one. So, well, she can still put Nimble Fingers in, and let's see if we can put a mask in. And let's make sure that Bear has Nimble Fingers in his mutation menu, and that maybe horns? We don't really have any horned creatures. Ram horns, so let's put in some ram horns and see what happens. Your fertility is not good, is it? No? You actually have great fertility. What was that? Okay, let's pass the day. We've lost Rye. It's kind of the end of an era. But I think Mudspot will stay nearby, and I think so will Gorse on her, because she wouldn't want to leave when her beloved mate died. Let's have Flame to appear. Kill that. I feel like Bears, now that he's, been around and seen, how everything happened. What? Huh? But you two not as compatible as I thought. CG. GB. So everyone's just going to take a large step away from this. And we're going to play Sacrifice the Baby. Because, yeah, that's not a good thing. I don't want sickness in the tribe. Let's just have you come over here as a way to light up the area. The need to have some stronger nichelings to sort of protect everyone and protect the berries. We're getting a bunch of bunny meat. It's surprisingly. Okay. You can see right there. Let's have you continue to collect. And let's just name you Fawn. And let's get this bunny. We can. We can kill it. We just can't pick it up this turn. Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Niche. Just forget about this little. Let's just pretend this little thing didn't exist. It doesn't exist. Because he's sick. That was dumb of me.